Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and to all the viewers. So guys, I'll be recycling this slipper that is about to throw away. I didn't throw away this one because this is so durable and flexible. You see this is kind of PVC slipper. So I just removed the strap on it and I'll be replacing this ribbon. This is also a recycled ribbon from a gift, so I'll be using this one for the strap of the slipper. So guys, come and join me and see what I'm gonna do with this slipper. So guys, I'll be using this kind of ribbon. I already cut for my use. This long one, I didn't measure it by using measurements. I just calculate, or the size of my slipper or the length of it. I hate measuring things. I don't like it, so I'll just use my mind. So this one is for here, this one here, like this, and I already done this one earlier. I just make a knot at the back. It's okay with this one. It doesn't matter with the knots at the back because this is just for house use. I won't use this one for going outside, so it's okay with this one. No need to put the glue or anything, just a knot will do. So I already done also the other one. I just insert this one at the hole here and make a knot here also. So this one, guys, I'll be putting it here. Okay, just like this. See this one, just like that, very easy. And I'll be using this scissor to help pushing this thing outside. Okay, so it's already there. So this is it, guys. Okay, so I'll be making a knot here at the back. Okay, so this is it. I will try this later when it's finished, so I'll be working with this one. So I'll be making another knot so that it will be steady here and not keep on moving. So it's already this, and now I'm gonna put this one each end to the hole. Okay, so it's already done like this, and then I'll make a knot here. So guys, it's done. Okay, doesn't matter, it has a knot here. Okay, I will try this one, guys, and I will show you what it looks like. So this is it now, guys, my slipper. I can use this one already here inside my house, not for going out because I don't like it using for going out. So thank you so much, guys.